I took a luxury car through a car wash, and it turned out to be one of the most nerve-wracking yet oddly satisfying experiences I have ever had with an automobile, because when you're behind the wheel of something that costs more than most people's homes, even the simplest task like driving into a tunnel of spinning brushes, high-pressure water jets, and neon soap suds suddenly feels like an epic challenge. And I want to take you on this ride with me from the very moment I woke up in the morning. Thinking about how much dust had settled on the glossy paint of the car to the second I drove out of the wash bay with reflections so sharp you could practically use the door panels as a mirror. Because this is not just any car wash, it's the story of stress, tension, wonder, and relief wrapped up in suds and foam. And if you've ever wondered what it's like to take a six-figure machine that screams opulence, prestige, and craftsmanship through a place designed for everyday vehicles, this video is going to walk you through every sensation, sound, and sight I encountered, starting with the moment I realized that the deep black paint on this car, polished to perfection and sealed with layers of ceramic coating, was dulled by a thin film of road grime, faint streaks of dried rain, and tiny splatters from a week of driving, and the thought hit me. Do I dare take this into an automatic wash where spinning bristles could potentially leave micro scratches? Or do I baby it by hand washing it? Myself in the driveway for hours, but curiosity always wins with me, so I drove up to the nearest premium car wash station, and let me tell you, the stares I got pulling into line were unlike anything else, because people in their sedans, hatchbacks, and pickup trucks suddenly turned their heads like they were watching a celebrity enter a grocery store, and I could feel the weight of their eyes as I maneuvered this low-slung, wide-bodied luxury car towards the conveyor belt. But the first challenge was aligning the wheels with the narrow tracks without scraping the low-profile tires against the guiding rails, and as I inched forward, the anxiety crept in, thinking about how one small misjudgment could scuff the custom alloy rims, and my palms were sweaty gripping the steering wheel even though I've parked this car in tighter garages. But something about being in line, with people behind me waiting, made it feel like a high-stakes performance, and once the signal flashed green, and I put the car into neutral, I felt a strange calm, like handing over control to the system, though the nervous energy remained. Then came the sound of the first burst of water, hammering against the bodywork, and it was both terrifying and mesmerizing because luxury cars have incredible sound insulation, yet you can still hear the sharp pinging of pressurized jets hitting the panels, and I imagined each droplet sliding across the waxed surface carrying away tiny particles of dirt, the soap. Suds cascading over the windshield like a liquid rainbow under the neon lights of the tunnel, streaks of pink, green, and blue foam swirling like abstract art, and I sat there thinking how surreal it was to see this handcrafted masterpiece, with hand-stitched leather inside and a roaring V8 under the hood, being treated to the same bubbly show as a 15-year-old hatchback right behind it, and then the rotating brushes made contact. And I won't lie, I flinched as they touched the car, the thumping and squeaking sounds magnified inside the cabin, my imagination running wild with visions of paintwork being marred, though deep down I knew the ceramic coating offered some level of protection. But the whole time I was torn between excitement at seeing foam completely engulf the car and dread that maybe, just maybe, I was making a mistake, and that inner dialogue is what makes moments like these unforgettable, because you're living through every possible outcome in your head at once. From stepping out later to see the car looking showroom fresh to facing the nightmare of swirl marks under the sun, but as the brushes passed and the rinse cycle began, I felt relief flooding in as jets of pure water cascaded down like a waterfall, washing away the colored suds, and the clarity of the glass began to emerge again, and then came the drying stage, those enormous blowers roaring overhead, sending sheets of water peeling away in perfect streams from the windshield and roof, the droplets racing across the hood in synchronized motion, and I leaned forward, fascinated by the aerodynamics at work, watching how the shape of the car channeled the airflow, and by the time the machine signaled it was done, I shifted back into gear and slowly rolled forward, greeted by sunlight bouncing off a now gleaming surface, and the sight was nothing short of breathtaking. The black paint had regained its mirror-like depth, every curve of the car reflecting the world around it with stunning clarity, and I parked to the side just to step out and admire what I had put myself through, the risk, the tension, and the reward all wrapped up in one shiny package. But that wasn't the end, because the video isn't just about the car looking clean, it's about the feeling of taking something precious into a place where you surrender control, where every second feels amplified, and you walk out with a story. And so as I looked at the car sparkling under the sky, I knew that while many owners would never dare put a luxury car through a wash like this, I had done it, and the result was worth every heartbeat of stress, every sideways glance from people in line, and every mental image of scratches that thankfully never appeared. Because sometimes you need to push the limits of what feels comfortable just to experience the thrill of the unknown, and that's exactly what this was. A journey into the ordinary with something extraordinary, where the mundane act of a car wash turned into a cinematic moment in my life, and that is why I'm sharing it with you, so that the next time you look at a spotless luxury car, you might just wonder if it went through the same gauntlet of foam, brushes, and blowers, or if its owner played it safe. But for me, I'll always remember the day I took a luxury car through a car wash, and it wasn't just about cleaning the car. It was about proving to myself that sometimes you can trust the process and enjoy the ride.